Oh, picture. Picture.
So this is the Sydenham River that we went around this morning.
Oh, I didn't make it.
And the fish are down there, not too far. Now, no fish has ever been known to make it up this set of rapids.
No, they don't have to do this. Yeah, it's a pumpkin.
It has a butt too.
Let me see. Oh, I see. That's very creative. What does that say?
Just going. Right here.
Right where?
Right where the waterfall goes. Let's go down this path. It's part of the house, it's the drive. I found a slug. Want to record it? Where did it go? There it is.
What will we name him?
Ugmo.
Ugmo. Huh.
Oh yeah, what's that?
That's it. Let's go to hit the trees. Let's get a walking stick and bash the trees, right?
I are the ones with power! I'm Sean Mike. Yeah! Cut. Hey. Watch out, Matt! Watch out!
They'll catch up to us anyway.
Matt! I saw it! You think we'd be allowed?
Oh, do you know the thing here? Can I see your stick? Oh, it's a binding rock.
Treasure!
This isn't the right kind of. It has to be a
Bazooka boy! Drive around!
So Angus, how do you really feel about hikes?
I'm sorry, like.
Are you? You're only saying that because you know that's being recorded.
Once he's there, he can handle it. It's just all the stuff leading up to it. Hey, Angus?
What?
You get your underwear in the knot before it happens, but once you're there, he's fine.
Oh my God.
Hey, I'm gonna wear it to the soccer game. Coaches have to wear a soccer jacket. Hey, tell them we're going the wrong way.
Perfect place, isn't it?
It's too far.
Go around.
I just want one of us to walk back and get the car and come out on the Rockford Road and meet us.
Crazy. Get this girl here. She's pretty cute. Are you getting those candles? You getting them in your mouth?
What's she eating?
Little mini Smarties or M&Ms.
Oh.
Here.
Oh, the wild Smarties that grow here. Like that.
Oh, what you bought that for?
What'd you get?
Wait.
$40.
Really?
What do you have in your mouth?
It's called
Boy,
a tongue.
That's gonna look good. Oh, you just fogged up my, my screen.
I know what I'm gonna be for Halloween.
What? A mini Smart? There's going to be 3 bums all along. Oh, I should try it. See what happens with the flash. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. So much.
Okay, go, Kendall. Put down your shirt. There it is. It's just you can eat it.